What if you had total visibility of your farm? What if you could check real-time moisture of your field? What if you could track precise fertilizer requirement of your crop? Introducing Nero by Philo. A self-installable, battery-powered and fully equipped with advanced sensors to provide accurate data and insights of your farm. Let's take it to a farm and see how Nero works. It only takes 10 minutes to install the device and see the real-time data of your farm. This device monitors your farm 24/7 and notifies you about critical actions to be done. Based on your crop, soil and environment, Nero tells you when to irrigate precisely. Also based on your soil or leaf analysis, it tells you about fertilizer applications to be done via soil or foliar. All the alerts are based on in-depth analysis of your farm data using AI and agronomy. Nero by Philo helps you to get the optimum yield with export quality and reduced cost of production.